Our data seems to suggest that it's particularly the developing lungs that are affected.
We were indeed able to find these plastic particles not only in the placenta, but also in the fetal tissues as well. We found them in the fetal heart, the fetal lung, the fetal kidney, liver, brain, just about any tissue we looked at in the fetus.
Plastic in our air, and experts say we could be unknowingly breathing it in.
The larger particles stay in those upper airways and we're able to clear them, but the smaller particles get very, very deep in the lung and we're unable to clear them.
We think of it as pure, but according to the World Health Organization, the water we drink comes with an added extra, tiny, often microscopic fragments of plastic, and no one knows whether our health is at risk.
A lot of jurisdictions are banning single-use plastics altogether. And across the board, participation in recycling programs is growing rapidly. And yet, the production of plastic is also growing. Virgin plastics devised from fossil fuels are driving this huge surge. The WWF fears that without action, plastic
Tiny
production
microscopic
will double
pieces
by
of
2050.
plastic have been
It
found
does
in
get
the
into
air
the
in
food
major
chain, of
cities.
course, through larger fish, birds, and other species that as humans we're consuming as well.
All around, shreds of plastic bags, containers and packets. Humans ourselves have barely begun to explore these vast depths of the ocean, but all of our crap has made it there.